Family, welcome to our channel. Today I'm making a snack with this overripe banana. Stay with me to the end to see what I'm making. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. These are the ingredients I'll be using today. I'm using some almond nut, walnut, Hershey chocolate, salt, eggs, Hershey cocoa, vanilla extract, some ground cinnamon, sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, baking soda, baking powder, some vegetable oil, yogurt, flour, and the overripe banana. I'm gonna add my flour into the mixer. I'm gonna add the brown sugar, and the white sugar. Now I'm gonna let this mix all together. Next, I'll add the baking soda, I'm gonna add the oil, I'm gonna add the yogurt, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, and I'm gonna add one at a time. I'm gonna put it on low so everything can combine. I'm gonna check on it and just make sure everything is mixing equally. I'm gonna add my salt. I'll put it on low and let everything combine together. Batter is fully mixed, I'm gonna turn to my banana. I'm gonna mash my banana. And make sure that they're all mashed together. Now I'm gonna add it into my batter. I'm gonna add a little bit of essence. And I'll add a little bit of ground cinnamon. Turn it on low and let all of this mix together. Now my batter is all mixed together. I'm gonna now pour in my toppings. I'm gonna add some cocoa. And I'm gonna mix this up together. I'll fold it in. I'll add about a handful of the chocolate. About a handful of the walnut. And a handful of the almond nut. And I'll fold this in to my batter. I will leave the recipe in the description below. Give it a try and leave in the comments how yours came out. Okay, my mixture looks very nice. I'm gonna now grease my pan. I'll take a little butter and I'll grease it. This snack is very delicious to have with a cup of coffee. When you're watching us on YouTube, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Remember, subscribing doesn't cost anything. All it does is notify you when we upload new videos. I'm gonna top it off with some almond nut. Some walnut. And guys, this is gonna be so good. So delicious. I'm gonna top it now with the chocolate chunks. This is gonna be such a delicious treat with a cup of coffee or maybe a cup of tea while you're sitting down watching our videos. Leave that comment below. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. I'm gonna now place my batter into the oven at 350 degrees. I'll check back on it later. It's about 60 minutes since I put the batter into the oven, so now I'm gonna go ahead and check on it. And it looks like it's done. So now guys, my snack is finished. I'm gonna test it to see if it's fully baked, and it is, because nothing is on my stick and it's clean. So my snack is fully baked. So from the ripe banana, I made a banana bread.
Okay guys, so now the banana bread has finished baked. We're going to taste it and we're going to let you know how it tastes. Let's dig into it. I can taste the chocolate, I can taste the bananas, the cocoa powder that was inside of it, and I personally love chocolate, so this is a perfect snack for me. What do you think, Mom?
I love it too. It was very crunchy and very nice. Also, it's a nice snack to have with a cup of coffee while you're watching our videos. We would like to say thank you to our subscribers and viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Remember, subscribing doesn't cost anything. All it does is notify you when we upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!